in the command line and press Enter to open the Options dialog box. Next, go to the Display tab and look for the Window Elements section. Here you'll find the Color Theme option. Open the drop-down menu and change the theme from dark to light. After selecting the light theme, click Apply to save the changes, then click OK to close the Options window. AutoCAD will immediately update the interface with a brighter appearance, including the ribbon, toolbars, palettes, and other interface elements. If you also want to change the drawing area's background color, you can do that separately through the Drawing Window Colors settings. Light mode is a great choice if you work in a bright environment or simply prefer a lighter interface while designing. That's how easy it is to switch AutoCAD to light mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.